Is cult neo Lububu really the next big thing in collectible fashion, or just another trendy-looking trap for unsuspecting buyers? CultNeo.com markets itself as a curated concept store that blends high-end fashion, exclusive designer accessories, and sought-after collectibles like Lububu toys and Pop Mart-style items. At first glance, the website looks modern and well-designed, but once you start digging, the red flags start piling up. The domain was only registered in 2025, which is very recent for a store claiming to be a go-to destination for exclusive items. A closer look at the product listings using reverse image search shows that many of the product photos are copied directly from other sites, casting serious doubt on the originality and even the availability of their stock. More importantly, there's no company transparency, no physical address, no details about who runs the store, and no verified social media profiles that show real engagement or customer feedback. On top of that, the site has zero customer reviews, not even on external review platforms like Trustpilot or CityJobber. Some Reddit users who've come across Cult Neo have warned others to order with caution, citing either sketchy checkout processes or unanswered emails. While there's no direct evidence confirming it's a full-blown scam, the overall lack of transparency, accountability, and verified customer experience makes this store a high-risk option, especially for those looking to buy rare or collectible items. If you're considering making a purchase, think twice and do thorough research, because when it comes to limited edition collectibles, trust matters just as much as the product itself.